Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. This is the third video of my 10-minute freezer declutter. I chose to do the top shelf of the freezer today. First, I took everything out. Then I decided what to put on this shelf, which is crabapple sauce, because we have a lot of it in the freezer. I put the loose bags into larger gallon Ziploc bags, so they wouldn't just fall on me when I opened the freezer. I relocated some of the items that didn't belong on that shelf. Then I looked through the other two shelves that I haven't decluttered yet to collect any more crabapple sauce that was there. I put the bags of applesauce I found into gallon Ziploc bags as well, and then I put them on the top shelf. I had no idea we had so much applesauce, but it's nice to know how much we have, and I'm glad we have so much. This shelf went pretty quickly, and now it's finished. Find a small area in your home. It can be a shelf, a drawer, or just a small section of a room or a closet. For example, maybe focus on decluttering ties, or purses, or socks. Then set a timer for 10 minutes. Before you know it, the job will be done. Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos like this.